Hi, so what we've got here is a system that is the 172, and Rich, our head engineer, and I are going to just show you a few things about this. So in the forefront, we have the emission monochromator with the photon counter in place. And what Rich and I are now going to show you is inside the sample compartment, the polarization toolbox. And the lighting, unfortunately, is really poor. All right, so Rich, if you would go ahead and move the LED tube so that we can see that. There you go. So you've just slid that one out. And now you're going to put a different one in. And the way it's going in is a port here on the side. And you're literally shoving that right up to the cuvette holder. Now this brass holder that we've got in place right now, Rich,
Yeah,
that's what, a water jacketed one that we've just got?
yeah, it can be. It can be temperature controlled with a water bath.
All right, so this is just an in-house cuvette holder that we're using. Now this is our photoelastic modulator.
And this is a focusing lens. And then
It's
this
going
is
from the sample, light source sample, through the PEM, through a focusing lens, and then in your
and
hand,
then your calcite
polarizer.
polarizer.
Okay, which comes in and out quite easily.
Yep.
And then into the scanning monochromator, single grading unit with the gated photon counter. So the LED tube is a steady source or a pulse source based on whether you're doing,
Phosphorescence or lifetime or just CPL.
right, so CPL is the steady.
CPL is steady state.
And otherwise it's pulsing. So this sample compartment we've intended to be quite open for the purpose of taking the PEM in or out of place if we wanted to, taking the polarizer in or out. Now we do have a position for the polarizer between the light source and the sample. How would that fit?
That's only when you're doing CD.
Or exciting the excitation. Now
Yeah.
over here is the other port for the second light coming in if we wanted to do dual excitation. And in this case, of course, it's a big monochromator, but it could be a second light source, LED light source as well. Okay?